today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view code in Elementor. If you're looking to dive deep into your website design and see the underlying structure, being able to access and understand code is crucial. Let's walk through the process together, gently and clearly, so that by the end, you'll feel comfortable navigating through code within Elementor. We'll start by entering your WordPress dashboard. Once you're there, navigate to the page you'd like to edit using Elementor. From your list of pages, hover over the one you want and click Edit with Elementor. This will launch the page in the Elementor Page Builder, a powerful tool for designing websites visually, yet under the hood, it generates code to make all those designs come to life. Now, you'll notice if you move your mouse to the bottom left corner of your screen, there's an icon with 3 horizontal lines, familiarly known as the hamburger icon. Go ahead and click on this icon to open up the Elementor panel. Look for the navigator. This navigator is like your site sitemap, showing you a structured overview of your site layout. But our main interest here is accessing code, so head straight to the section or widget you're interested in. When you find the section you want to investigate, right-click on it. A context menu will appear, and from here, select Edit Section. Within the section panel that appears on the left, scroll down and click on the Advanced tab. The Advanced tab gives you access to all kinds of additional controls and settings, but what we're aiming for is a little further behind the scenes. Under the Advanced tab, scroll down to Custom CSS. However, it's worth noting that Custom CSS is available only with the Elementor Pro version. If you're using the free version, there won't be a Custom CSS option, unfortunately. But don't worry, there's still more you can do. For those with Elementor Pro, in the Custom CSS text area, you can write and view the CSS that enhances your page. Viewing this code is invaluable because it helps you understand how styles are applied to your elements. Knowing CSS can greatly enhance the functionality and appearance of your site, giving you control over every detail. For those using the free version, or if you need to look beyond just CSS, you can view the underlying HTML code by right-clicking anywhere on your page and selecting Inspect. This will open your browser's developer tools, where you can dive deep into the HTML and CSS. Here, you can see the entire structure of your web page, not just in Elementor's visual interface but as the code itself. And there you have it. You've just learned how to view code in Elementor, an essential skill for customizing your website. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't hesitate to explore and familiarize yourself with the tools available. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for more tutorials.